the academic session 2024 and 25. I am Pari Jain and I will be sharing the notable happenings at Himalaya International School for the month of June and July. On April 27, Himalaya International School launched the second edition of its Model United Conferences HISMUN 2.0. The ceremony featured notable guests including special guest Mr. Srinivas Murthy, Deputy General Manager of IPCA Laboratories Limited, and several school dignitaries. Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa delivered an inspiring opening speech emphasizing the importance of MUN in fostering in critical thinking and diplomacy. Director Mr. Aditya Dora encouraged active participation while Principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt highlighted the event roles in developing future leaders. HISMUN 2.0 is set to provide an enriching experiments continuing HIS's commitments to academic excellence and global citizenship. In a resounding testament to its commitment to academic excellence and holistic education, Himalaya International School Ratlam has emerged victorious in the CPSE board examinations for classes 10th and 12th. Students of Himalaya International School has redefined success with their outstanding performance in the CPSE board examination of the 2023 and 24 session. In class 10, the topper achievers above 90% are Vivek Patidar with 96%, Sanjay M. Kumar with 95.8%, Mukti Tiwari with 95.6%, Nakul Patidar with 95.2%, Vishal Kamdar with 95.2%. In class 10, most students secure more than 75%. In class 12, the topper performers are Lavisha Pada with 91.2%, Chehri Mehta with 90.8%. Heartfelt congratulations for and for the students, parents and teachers of Himalaya International School for their extraordinary accomplishment. From June 6 to 16, teacher workshops were conducted by the academic director Mr. H.S. Khalsa. This workshop focused on enhancing teachers' methodologies, integrating technology in classrooms and fostering a collaborative learning environment among educators. Additionally, teachers attended a workshop by Cambridge conducted by Ms. Prachi, focusing on different learning styles of students. On June 18, students were greeted with enthusiasm and excitement for the new academic year. A special welcome back assembly was organized for class 3rd to 12th. Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa offered blessing and congratulated class 10 students for their board examination achievements. Principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt delivered an inspiring opening speech encouraging students to focus on their goals and aspirations. Students were also given guidelines for school conducts and received memorable takeaway from their teachers. Theme decoration assemblies added a special touch to the first day for the pre-primary classes. Nursery to UKG enjoyed a jungle safari theme while grade 1st and 2nd had a rainbow theme assembly. The school's academic director, principal, headmistress and teacher warmly welcomed the students. New worksheets and activities aligned with the National Education Policy and the National Curriculum Frameworks were introduced, sparkling excitement and creativity. On June 21st, Himalaya International School celebrated International Yoga Day with a variety of activities and competitions. The event kicked off a special assembly by grade 11 students followed by an extempore competition for grade 3rd and 4th, a slogan writing competition for grade 5th and an interclass yoga competition from grade 6th to 9th. Students demonstrated yoga asanas in the school swimming pool showcasing yoga's versatility. Chairman Mr. Sunil Dora and Principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt congratulated the students and stressed yoga importance. Grade 1st and 2nd participated in yoga session focused on balance and inner peace. Amidst the solemnity of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, Himalaya International School launched a series of complying initiatives to educate students and campaigning a drug-free ethos. The day witnessed through-provoking competitions such as the prose prose essay and the drawing derby, stimulating deep discussion on the perils of substance addiction and pivotal role of media and its eradication. Himalaya International School hosted the Get Snappy with photograph competitions from grade 8 to 12. Theme Nature and its best to celebrate National Camera Day on June 29. The event encouraged students to develop their photography skills and capture stunning images of environment. Participants showcased their passion and creativity, highlighting the beauty of nature through their lenses.
Hello, I am Nakshita Solanki and I will take head in a series of events for June and July. On June 26th, the school celebrated Toothbrush Awareness Day with their kindergarten students. The event aimed to teach children the importance of oral health. The young students participated in interactive sessions learning about the history and importance of dental care through activities. The day concluded with happy smiles, marking a successful celebration of Toothbrush Awareness Day at HIS Ratlam. On July 1st, 2024, the Maya International School, Ratlam, celebrated Van Mahotsav. The day featured a special assembly by grade 11th commerce students and a plantation drive involving grade 3rd to 9th, led by academic director Mr. H.S. Khalsa, principal Mrs. Sona Bhatt and headmistress Mrs. Prachi Kapoor. Classes 1 and 2 participated in leaf printing and planting activities. The events promoted environment management and community spirits among students and staff. In July, pre-primary students showcased their creativity in various competitions. Nursery students participated in the doodle-do competition, LKG students engaged in the artistic art competition, and UKG students competed in the portraying page competition. These events encourage young minds to explore their artistic talents and express themselves through different mediums.
Himalaya International School celebrated its 15th Foundation Day with pride and promises on 6th July 2024. The day began with a Saraswati Pujan and included distinguished guests such as School Chairman Mr. Sunil Dora, Director Mr. Aditya Dora and Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa. Cultural performance such as orchestral performance by the school band, dance performance celebrated the school spirit. The investiture ceremony for the 2024 and 25 academic session on 6th July 2024 saw the newly elected head boy Bhavya Kothari and head girl Palak Rathi, along with the entire council taking their oath. Principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt highlighted the importance of the student council in her welcoming address, urging students to embrace their roles and integrity. The ceremony underscored the importance of leadership and responsibilities among students.
Himalaya International School also hosted a mime competition in the month of July around the theme Aftermath of Population Overflow. The event saw participation from students across various grades who showcased their creativity and acting skills without uttering a single word. On July 23rd, grade 1st students embarked on the nature walk as the part of the Nature Rumble Race. During this activity, the children explored various plants, flowers and small creatures, discovering their unique character. This nature walk instilled a deeper appreciation of awareness of the environment in the hearts of our students.
Himalaya International School successfully conducted its periodic assessment fund for the academic session 2024 and 25. The assessment covered all the subjects in core languages. Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa praised students for their diligence, highlighted the assessment's role in the tracking academic growth and providing valuable feedbacks. Teacher noted effective students' progress, tracking and emphasizing collaboration efforts among students, parents and faculty. On July 23rd, our students had an amazing opportunity to learn about the dynamic professions of a company secretary during our career awareness program by the Institute of Company Secretary of India, ICSI, New Delhi. The program started with an inspiring keynote speech by Mr. Naveen, a seasoned company secretary from ICSI, followed by an interactive presentation by CS Ms. Garima on the educational path and qualification needed to become a CS. It was an engaging discussion that helped students to understand the different job opportunities available for company secretaries. On July 23rd, students participated in the Rotary Club competition, which covered various educational topics such as preserving natural resources, global warming, and the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. This competition encouraged students to think critically about important environmental and social issues. On July 24, Himalaya International School conducted the Environmental Quiz Bee in the presence and guidance of Academic Director Mr. H.S. Khalsa. The competition brought together enthusiastic participants from all 4 houses: Jaguars, Lions, Panthers and Tigers. The event aimed to raise awareness about environmental issues and promote eco-consciousness among students. On July 30, 2024, an inter-house poster board competition was held on the theme Pre-Independence Struggle and Post-Independence Development Phases. This event provided students with an opportunity to creatively express their understanding of India's history and development.